little more humanity, please.
For sure that we've got to end this. You don't get no last kiss, cause you're so damn crazy, and I'm so damn helpless. So don't text my number, and don't call my mother. I can't see your face now, cause this is over. Since you said you were my heart, you fucked with my head again. So I run. You said you are the poison. I drink the poison.
That woman deserves her revenge. And we deserve to die.
She must suffer to her last breath.